I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to send money using Varo, here is a straightforward guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Open the Varo app. Launch the Varo app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to the Send Money feature. Once you're in the app, look for the Send Money option on the main menu. This is usually found at the bottom of the screen. Step 3. Enter recipient details. Input the recipient's information, such as their phone number or email address. Ensure that the details are correct to avoid sending money to the wrong person. Step 4. Specify the amount. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issue.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm and send. Review all the details one last time, then hit the send button to complete the transaction. You should receive a confirmation notification shortly after. Remember to keep an eye on your transaction history to ensure everything went smoothly. If you follow these steps, you'll be sending money in no time.